Opening scene. Gentle morning sunlight through a window. Senior man stretches his legs before walking. As we grow older, one of the biggest fears we quietly carry is losing our strength, especially in our legs. Because when your legs weaken, your independence slowly slips away too. But here's the truth. You can have strong, steady legs even in your 70s, 80s, or 90s. You just have to feed your muscles the right kind of fuel. In this video, we'll talk about one powerful food that helps older adults rebuild muscle and prevent leg weakness. Plus, we'll reveal the common everyday foods that may be silently damaging your muscles, joints, and energy levels. So if you want to walk faster, climb stairs easier, and feel more confident on your feet, stay with me till the end. You'll be surprised how small changes in your plate can transform your strength.
Scene. Senior couple walking together in a park. Now let's start by understanding what really happens inside your body after age 55. From around that age, your body naturally begins to lose muscle mass, a process called sarcopenia. In fact, research shows that adults over 60 can lose up to 3% of their muscle strength every year if nothing is done to stop it. That's why so many older adults feel their legs getting weaker, their knees hurting more often, and everyday activities like standing up or walking to the store becoming harder than before. But here's the good news. You can reverse much of that loss naturally through the foods you eat every single day. Your muscles are living tissue. They're not gone forever. They can rebuild, repair, and grow stronger even at age 90 if you nourish them correctly. And the first step to that is cutting out the foods that quietly sabotage your muscle health.
Scene. Close-up shots of processed meats, sugary snacks, fried foods. Let's start with what to avoid. Because the truth is, most people don't realize that some of your favorite comfort foods are actually damaging your muscle fibers. Foods like processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, deli cuts, refined carbohydrates like white bread, pastries, sugary cereals, deep fried foods, and even diet drinks loaded with artificial sweeteners. All these foods cause inflammation and oxidative stress, two hidden enemies that break down your muscle tissue from the inside. And when inflammation stays high, your legs feel stiff, tired, and weak, even when you haven't done much.
So, what should you eat instead? In the next part, we'll reveal one special muscle-healing food that helps older adults rebuild lost leg strength naturally, and how it also improves balance, energy, and circulation. But first, let's take a closer look at how this healing process works inside your body.
Opening scene. Senior woman preparing a small bowl of food in her kitchen. Now that we know what to avoid, let's talk about what to eat every day to rebuild strength, especially in your legs. Because there's one simple natural food that acts like fuel for your muscles. It helps restore lost power, supports circulation, and keeps your joints feeling smoother and more flexible. That food is spinach. Scene. Close-up of fresh spinach leaves being washed. Yes, the same humble leafy green that many of us ignored as kids is one of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods for older adults. Here's why. Spinach is packed with nitrates, magnesium, and plant-based compounds that help your muscle cells use oxygen more efficiently. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who regularly ate spinach had significantly stronger leg muscles and better walking performance, even without intense exercise.
Scene. Animated graphic showing spinach nutrients entering the bloodstream and feeding muscle cells. Narrator. Spinach does 3 amazing things inside your body. 1. Boosts blood flow. Thanks to its natural nitrates, it helps open up your arteries, delivering more oxygen to your muscles. 2. Supports muscle repair.
It's rich in magnesium, which your body needs to rebuild and relax muscle fibers. 3. Fights inflammation. Antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene reduce stiffness and pain, helping you move more freely. So, when you eat spinach regularly, raw in salads, lightly cooked, or blended in smoothies, you're literally feeding strength back into your legs. Scene: elderly man drinking a green smoothie, smiles as he feels energized. You don't have to eat a mountain of spinach to see results. Just 1 cup a day, cooked or raw, can make a noticeable difference in leg power and endurance within a few weeks. And if you pair it with a small source of vitamin C, like lemon juice or orange slices, your body absorbs even more of those beneficial nutrients. Scene: close-up of fresh spinach leaves being washed. Yes, the same humble leafy green that many of us ignored as kids is one of the most powerful muscle-supporting foods for older adults. Here's why. Spinach is packed with nitrates, magnesium, and plant-based compounds that help your muscle cells use oxygen more efficiently. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who regularly ate spinach had significantly stronger leg muscles and better walking performance, even without intense exercise.
Scene: senior couple cooking together, adding spinach to your breakfast eggs, soups, or even chapatis. It's simple, delicious, and your muscles will thank you for it. But spinach isn't the only food that helps. In the next part, we'll explore 2 more powerful muscle-restoring foods. One that improves your leg strength and balance, and another that reduces joint pain and stiffness almost naturally.